So let's get started. I'm going to put the olive oil in the pan. Now you can use olive oil, or you can also use a little bit of soy margarine if you like. I like the way olive oil responds in this one as well. And then we've got those peppers.
That's going to make it very colorful.
This is going to make it very, very colorful. So we're going to go ahead and put those in.
Yes, get
like
that fiber in.
Thing sizzling.
Yes.
This is a real easy, quick recipe. It's very pretty as well. And as we're getting we're just going to saute them a little bit, because what I do is I like to put a lid on top of it and let it continue to cook as well. Okay? So now we're going to take this and we'll let it sit for a minute as it's getting ready. You hear that sizzling sound? And the coloring is always off the chart when it comes to this recipe. Right?
We need smell-o-vision.
Smell-o-vision. Smell-o-vision.
It smells good right here.
I'm going to move it down, and I'm going to move everything over to the side, because we're going to introduce the main ingredient. Okay? This is the soft tofu. Now, if you like soft eggs, then this is for you. You see it has a look of like an egg, got that silky coloring going on. Okay, now we're going to put the stuff in it. So we're going to start off with, let's go with our chicken style seasoning. Now chicken style seasoning is like a broth, like a regular chicken broth, but we're now, because it's plant-based, we're actually going to be using a chicken style seasoning. There's also a beef one out there as well. We got that turmeric going on.
Eggs are yellow.
They are yellow.
And we eat with our
That's
eyes.
right. That's right. So we're going to just move that around a little bit. Looks like egg whites right now, but it's going to look like the yellow part of an egg being done. And we're going to ask that we move around the peppers on top to get that coloring. And then we're going to add to that our baco bits, soy baco bits are going in.
At a regular
it's at the regular grocery store. Regular grocery store. It says imitation bacon. And then we're going to add on top of that the tomatoes. So if you will, Curtis, you get me that lid over there, and I will show them what that looks like. You see that final product? Look at that. Is that not gorgeous or what? It looks just like a regular omelet.
There you go.
So we will put our lid on, and we will let you see the finished product at the end. So the breakfast meal is ready.
Yes.
So what have we done? Look at this dish.
Team Eakins.
It is our scrambled egg, an omelet, nonetheless. We call it festive.
There you go.
Festive tofu omelet. But I know that you're wondering, does that really taste good? Because I knew you were going to ask that question, so I already got your plate ready for you, honey. I got your plate ready.
Oh, yes. Okay. Blue. It went down again, baby. Yes.
Now, if you thought the first one was good, lunch is coming up. So you really want to make sure you stay tuned for the lunch meal.
We see you next time.